Good morning, students. See, so far we have completed the seventh question, that is exercise 1.3, seventh question, and now it is eighth one. See, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. We have to find the sum of 51 terms whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. See, the problem is quite interesting because first term is not given, consecutive terms are given, that is A2. Second term A2 is given, that is 14. Then A3 is given, that is 18. See, you can find using these two terms the common difference. Common difference will be the difference of consecutive terms. A2 and A3 are the consecutive terms. So D can be calculated as D equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 18 minus A2 is 14. That is D equals to 4. Next, we do not know the A1 first term. So using A2, which means A1 plus D, A2 how much? 14. 14 equals to A1 we do not know plus D already we know 4. So 14 minus 4 equals to A1. Therefore, A1 equals to 14 minus 4 means 10. So, A1 is 10. That is, we can simply write A equals to 10. Then, by using these values, we have to find the sum of first 51 terms. So, Sn equals to n by 2, the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, bracket close. So, n by 2, number after find the sum of first 51 terms of the whose 51 by 2, which is equals to 2a. 2 into a, we have calculated already 10. Plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1. There is common difference. We have calculated as 4. A equals to 4. Then 51 by 2 into 2 tens are 20 plus 50 into 51 minus 50 into 4. Then we have 51 by 2 in the bracket 20 plus 5 fours are 20, that is 200. Then 51 by 2 into 200 into 20, 220. Okay, 2 ones are 0. That is 51 into 110. That is equal to 5610. That is yes 51. 11 1 11 carry 1, 11 5 are 55 plus 1 56 0 0. Therefore, yes 51 equals to 5620. So, sum of first 51 terms. Five, 6, 1 0. See, once again. See the ninth one. If the sum of first 7 terms, that is sum of 7 terms, they are given S7. S7 equals to the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. So Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S7 equals to 7 by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Plus 7 is nothing but 49 equals to 7 by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus 6, 7 minus 1, 6d. So 49 equals to 7 by 2. Let us take common 2 in the bracket a plus 3d. 2 gets cancelled. So 49 by 7 is equals to a plus 3d. See the simplification attentively. 49, 7b is being transferred to the left side, that is 49 by 7. That remaining is a plus 3d. 7 1s are 7 7s are. Now we have a plus 3d equals to 7. Equation 1. Then S, how much they have given? S 17. S 17 equals to 289. Therefore, Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S 17 equals to 17 by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Okay, S17 is 289 equals to 17 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus, that is 16d. 17 minus 1. 289 equals to 17 by 2 into 2 is common here also, a plus 8d. So 2 gets cancelled. 289 divided by 17 equals to a plus 8d. A plus 8d. 17 ones are 17 17s are. So a plus 8d equals to 17. Say equation second. See, we have created the two equations. There is a plus 3d equals to 7, a plus 8d equals to 17. Let us solve both the equation. Solving, one and two. A plus 3D equals to 7. A plus 8D equals to 17. By subtracting, plus A minus A gets cancelled, minus 5D equals to minus 10. Minus 5D equals to minus 10. Therefore, signs are same. D equals to 10 by 5. 5 1 ga, 5 2 ga. Therefore, D equals to 2. Put D equals to 2 in 1. A plus 3D equals to 7. A plus 3 into D, that is 2, equals to 7. A plus 6 equals to 7. Therefore, A equals to 7 minus 6, that is equals to 1. Now, nth term. Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn n by 2 into a 1 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2. So n by 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 cancels. Therefore, n by 2 into 2n, 2 cancel. Therefore, Sn equals to n square. Sn equals to n square. See, this question is related to 4 marks. That 4 marks question we have to first find the value of S7th in the arithmetic format. A plus 3D equals to 7. Then S17th equals to A plus 8D equals to 17. Then solving both the equations, we have D equals to 2. Then after getting D, we will get that A equals to 1. Then what he has asked that? See, find the sum of the first n terms. So, Sn we have to find, substituting the value of A and D, then we get the sum to n terms is Sn equals to n square. Okay, observe the solution once again. See, what the nth term? The nth term will be Sn. See here, Sn equals to n square. Sn equals to n square is the nth term of this question. This one is the 10th main. Show that A1, A2, A3, Anth. This is the format of AP. Form an AP where Anth is defined as below. See, Anth is defined as below. Means they have given two questions. Anth equals to 3 plus 4n. Utilizing this one, we have to form the AP. Then after finding the APs, we have to find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. Okay, case 1A, let us solve A. Anth equals to an equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay, first find a1. 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7. Then a2 equals to 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 3 plus 4 2 is 8, 11. Then a3, 3 plus 4 into 3, that is equals to 3 plus 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So we have 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus dash. So A equals to 7, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 7, which is equals to 4. Then we need that S15. Therefore, Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S15 equals to 15 by 2 in the big bracket, 2a 7 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into d is 4. Next, S15 equals to 15 by 2, then 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14 into 4. So 15 by 2 in the big bracket, 14 plus 66, then 15 by 2 into 70, 2 ones are 2 35s are. So yes, 15 equals to 15 5s are 75, carry 7, 15 3s are 45 plus 7, yes, 15 equals to 525. See the solution? Very simple one. We have to find the first AP form. Then after finding the AP format, we have to simplify to get the 15 sum of first 15 terms of that AP. Okay, next B, that is question B. AM equals to 9 minus 5n, that is A1 equals to 9 minus 5 into 1, 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. A2 equals to 9 minus 5 into 2, 9 minus 10, which is equal to minus 1. Then A3 equals to 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15. So that is equal to minus 6. Now 4 of minus 1 plus of minus 6 plus dash dash dash. A equals to 4, B equals to A2 minus A1 minus 1 minus 4, that is equals to minus 5. Then S15 equals to question mark. Now Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N 15 by 2. 2 into a is 4 plus 15 minus 1 into d, that is minus 5. Bracket close. Then say we have substituted the values. Then we have to simplify. Simplify the terms carefully. 15 by 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into minus 5. That is equals to 15 by 2. 8 plus into minus, minus 5 4s are 20, carry 2 5 1, 15, 14 5s are 70. Then 15 by 2 into minus 70 minus 8, 62. So 62, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So S15 equals to my 15 into 31. That is equal to 51 are 15, carry 1, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 1 46 minus minus 465. See the method of solution and observe where you have not understood and clarify your doubt. See, so far we have completed 4 sums. So after completions of 4 sums, now I am going to give the homework related to those sums. So here the first one, show that A1, A2, A3 and form an AP where Anth is defined below. See, the Anth terms are given below in the all the 4 cases. You have to form an AP in all the cases and you have to find sum to 25 terms in each case. Every problem, for every problem you have to find sum to 25 terms. Okay, I hope you will do the homework and inform all other your friends to complete the homework. We will not continue this chapter in the regular classes. So be careful and work hard and also do the homework without fail.